In this short video, I'll give you a friendly, easy-to-follow introduction to the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. Fusion is a node-based workspace for VFX and motion graphics. I'll walk you through the basics so you can make a simple effect. If you want a deeper beginner lesson after this, let me know in the comments. Start on the Edit page and pick the clip you want to work on. Put the playhead over that clip, then click the Fusion tab at the bottom of Resolve. Your clip will load into Fusion as a median node, and you'll see it connected to a median node. Think of median as the source and median as the final result that goes back to the edit page. Fusion is built around nodes, not layers like After Effects and other Adobe products. Each node is one operation or effect, and they connect left to right. Median is your input, median is the output, and the nodes you add sit between them. You will recognize common nodes like blur, transform, textile, and merge. Keep in mind the flow moves from the source on the left toward the result on the right. To try an effect, let's add a transform node to change size or position. You can pick the transform icon in the toolbar, press Shift and spacebar, and search for transform or drag it from the effects library. If the node does not auto-connect, drag median's output to the transform node input. Then connect the transform output to median. With the transform node selected, use the inspector panel to change settings. The inspector, usually on the top right, shows controls for the selected node. You can change size to zoom in or out and center to move the clip. Watch the viewer to see your changes in real time as you tweak values. Next, let's composite text over the clip using a merge node. Press Shift and spacebar and add a text node. Mostly it adds a merge node and gets connected automatically like here, but let's disconnect it and delete the merge node. Type your title in the inspector and set the font and size. Then add a merge node the same way. The merge node has a yellow input for the background and a green input for the foreground. Connect your main media in or earlier node to the yellow input, in our case, transform node, and connect the textile node to the green input. Finally, connect the merge output to median, so the text appears over the video. When your Fusion work is done, switch back to the Edit tab. The clip on your timeline will show the effect you made in Fusion, and you can continue editing as usual. Fusion lets you build more complex effects by adding and connecting more nodes. This flow covers the basic process you'll use most often. That's it for this quick intro to Fusion. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Take care, and see you next time.